In today's video, I will show you how to use your existing rail card with the Trainline app to get travel discounts across the UK. It's super simple and I will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. If you already have a rail card, maybe you brought it from the official rail card website. Here's what to do inside the Trainline app. When booking your ticket, select your departure and destination stations, choose your travel dates, then look for an option that says Add our rail card. Tap it and select the rail card type you already own. You don't need to upload or link your rail card in the app. Simply choosing the correct type will automatically apply the discount to your fare. So even though the discount is applied, make sure you carry your rail card during your journey. You can show either the digital version on your phone or the physical card, as train staff might ask to see it. Now, if you don't have a rail card yet, no worries. You can buy a digital rail card directly from the Trainline app. It will be stored in your account and ready to use instantly for all your bookings. Just a quick note, not all rail cards apply to every journey or time of day. So always check the conditions of your specific rail card before you book to make sure the discount applies. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.